Okay folks, when I die cut the fabric for my banner, I had a few pieces extra, so I covered this one with some orange colored pattern paper and the same green as the banner, and I had an idea that using this banner piece would make an adorable little notebook, so that's what I'm going to do. I cut these pieces. This is some pattern 8.5 by 11 paper that I have. The rest is just copy paper, and I used my die to cut it. This is a Create 365 Happy Planner. You really can just eyeball this pretty easily, but I like to line it up so that it's even with this mark on the left side, and then punch it. And I'm going to continue to do that for the rest of these pages, and I'll meet you back. I have all of my holes punched for the binding. I'm going to start from the back and work my way to the front. These binding discs were purchased from an online Etsy store. Okay, I've decided that these discs are way too big for this book. So what I'm going to do is take them out one at a time. Stamped an image from Paper Pretties onto Expressive Quality Copic Quality cardstock. And I'm going to cut a circle right out of the middle. Earlier I cut out some large circles. This is about 5 or 6 of them, and I glued them together so they're nice and hefty. I also have a couple of circle rings, which I don't know if I'm going to need yet. One more circle, and then I die cut this. You could do this with a coordinating die that comes with a set. You can do it with a brother scan and cut if you want. Don't need to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fussy cut this image. I'm now going to color this image with my Copic markers. Okay, now then, that's where this little circle is going to come into play. Get this puppy sponged on. Okay, now that I have my circle die cut, I used my little garland thing as a template to place my stamp where I want it. I'm now going to ink it up with some ink. My favorite things, Extreme Black. Cut a piece of black cardstock to 3/4 of an inch and a white piece of cardstock to 1/2 inch. And I was just deciding if I wanted one or both, and I do want both, and where I want it to be on my project. Almost looks like a crest. I could so see this being done with just an initial that your customer could pick out, and then you could just add it on the top. I ran my fingers right through that glossy accent and just put that back into place. Of course, you'd be smart and you would have already done this part. You could easily add some bling if you wanted to. Alright everyone, this is my project. It's finished. If you'd like and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like by a thumbs up, and don't forget to share my videos on your social media. If you'd like to be notified when I upload videos, all you have to do is hit that little bell, and you will be notified when I do indeed upload. I hope you guys are all doing very well. Stand happy, be a blessing.